Hello, I saw your question on number 4 here in section 3.1. It says you randomly select an integer from 0 to 7 inclusively, means you include the 0 and 7. Then you randomly select an integer from 0 to 49, again inclusively. What is the probability of selecting 4 both times? So 0 to 7, that's 8 numbers. If you go 1 to 7, that's 7 plus 0 is 8 numbers. 0 to 49, that's 50 numbers. Okay, so we got 8 choices here. We got 50 choices here. So we want the probability of selecting 4 both times. What's the probability of getting a 4 and a 4? Well, the probability, that'll be the probability of getting 4 times the probability of getting 4. Well, that'd be, that's just 1 out of 8, and then 1 out of 50. There's 8 choices here, and only one of them is a 4, and then there's 50 choices here, and one of them's a 50. So, you take 1/8, and you get, 0.1, change that to decimals, 0.125, and if you multiply that by 1 over 50, you get 0.0025, exactly. It says type an integer or decimal, do not round. And so, this is very precise, 1/8 times 1/50. There's no rounding involved. Hope this helps.